Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This vehicle has done just under 34,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our vehicle settings, smartphone integration, navigation, media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.